you lot, so we're set up with the hose run. So we started with the block paving, so it's easy. We came about a week and a half ago to spray some Roundup on it. Sorry, yeah, I've got a cold. Pretty sure I said that on the way here, but yeah, so we're going to start with this, with the turbo nozzle. So that's just down there waiting. Just waiting for my buffer tank to fill up. About halfway, getting there. So yeah, we're going to try and sprinkle all this now. But yeah, hopefully it's all dead. But the root, I think they're starting to die. You can kind of tell by the way they kind of flatten it. But yeah, and then we've got all this to do, which we'll use the flat surface cleaner to try and sweep up all this before we go around there. And that's it. And then we're going to clean the gutters all the way around another day, and also re-sand another day. So nice job today. It's about 10 o'clock. So yeah, nice slow and enjoy it a little bit. Yeah, it's nice and sunny, so yeah, so we'll crack into it. Alright. So this is future me. Yeah, the audio, I don't know what's going on. I think I need like a little tripod to hold. So yeah, I'm just showing you here like what it looks like to end with on the block paving. It just needs like another rinse down really. You just got a few little bits left in there. What I'm showing you there is it doesn't actually need resanding because of the newer type of bricks, which basically have like little teeth to keep them in place. So
I gave the customer the option if they wanted the aesthetic look with the sand in it, they could, but they decided not to, as it doesn't really make a difference. So yeah, I mean, I think at this point, I've already gone round like all the in between gaps of the sandstone. I want to say, I think it's pretty sure it's sandstone, sandstone, sandstone. Yeah. So I'm gonna go around it with a flat surface cleaner, and yeah, there's a bit of moss in between all the joints and stuff. So I just went over that with the turbo nozzle, just so it got it all out, and there was none left. So the flat surface cleaner can't really do that, but yeah, we use that to kind of just go over the stones. But yeah, anyway.
As you can see, it looks a lot better than what it did. I'll put a picture of the other one somewhere in there. Yeah, that's what it looks like now. You can actually see the red and blue. And obviously these are the new bricks now, you can see a lot easier than the new bricks.
So we get onto the back, and then I basically tell you that I'm not very happy with it because, as you can see, there's marks left all over it. Most of it is from cement, so all of that is where they had people building the shed and stuff. Like, I'm never going to be able to get that up. So yeah, but this bit I've planned to go back on Wednesday, which is the day after you'll see this, to basically do a full hypo treatment on it. again. So yeah, that's going to be the full works on it. I'm just going to put it on, let it sit for 40 minutes, and then rinse it off. But yeah, the audio, I don't know what's going on with the GoPro, but I need to sort that out because every time I hold the camera like this, it just doesn't pick up my voice very well. So yeah, gonna have to get that sorted as soon as possible. But yeah, really good transformation so far.
Alright people, so on the way back from the job now, I spoke to the customer because I wasn't very happy about the back, so I've said to them that I'll go back another day and do like a chemical treatment again on it. So yeah, like I said, I did spot treat it with a gentle, I think 5-to-1 mix, so it lifted a bit, but yeah, I'm just not happy about it, if you know what I mean. I'll go back and make sure I can do the best I possibly can, because to be honest, I don't really know why it hasn't come up, but they said that some bits have been like concrete mix and cement and stuff like that, so some of it I'm not going to be able to get up, but the bit in the middle was the bit that I'm a bit annoyed about, because yeah, it just didn't come up. So yeah, so on the way back home now, I don't feel great to be honest, but you know, we move. Yeah, so we finished up about 3 o'clock there, so yeah, we're there since 10, so 5 hours, and yeah, it feels like through a walk to be honest, but yeah, so we'll head back there on Monday to do the gutters and blow all the leaves off, because there'll be loads of leaves by then, and yeah, we'll try and do a date between now and next week to try and spot treat that bit of knock on the back. So yeah, I'll see you on Monday, and then I'm not sure if I'll put the chemical treatment into the video, because that might be until Friday. I want to try and get this out by Tuesday. So yeah, I shall see you on Monday to do the gutters. So yeah. Yes, you lot. Good afternoon. It's now Monday afternoon. It's 2:45. So I'm just going back home, picking up my ladders. Might be a bit too big for the job, but oh well. Yeah, so we'll get up there, clear out the gutters, give the driveway a blow, do a little bit of a chemical treatment on the back bit, see if we can lift any of that. So yeah, alright, I'll catch up with you when we arrive at the house. It looks like it's going to rain. It's great. Obviously, if it's raining on the gutters, trying to clean them out, it's going to get all messy and sticky. And I don't really want to mess up the patio. I want it to kind of be dry, so if it is going to rain, I'm not sure what I'll do. We'll find out by the time I get there. It's about half an hour drive, so yeah, it's going to be pretty dark. Anyway. Alright then, you lot, so it's just started raining quite badly. I don't really want to slip off the ladders, so I'm trying to do it the most efficient way possible, which I'll grab up, basically get up on the ladder and just blow the gutters and get back down. So I do like 2 ladder movements instead of like 10 done as well. So yeah, we're getting through it, but as you can see the camera, so it's getting wet. So yeah, I will just show you in a minute how clean they are. These are quite bad actually. You can see for the leaves and everything. We can just blow it up. Okay, you lot, this is what we're working with. As you can see, there's a whole load of leaves. So yeah, it's raining quite badly now. So I'm going to try and just blow them. I know it makes a mess to start with. It's safer than sitting up here 10 times when it's wet. Wouldn't recommend it. Right then, you lot, all done. Yeah, a little bit wet. Basically, long story short, I was just going up the ladder in the end and just picking it all up with my hands, dropping it in my bucket, and then just like scoop it all the way down, picking it up, dropping my bucket until they're all cleared. Yeah, did all that, cleared down the downpipe, and then once we finished cleaning them all out, we ran water through them and made sure that nothing was blocked and stuff, and it was all good. So yeah, sorry about that. Yeah, it was just stopping me basically seeing what I was doing, and the rain was just annoying me. So yeah, sorry, I had to just take it off just so I could do the job, to be honest. But yeah, so we're all done with that one. They've just said to me that they want to book me in every 6 months for the same, so the driveway and gutters, because they have a tree that basically just drops leaves all the way through autumn. So by the time autumn ends and we get spring, they want me back to do the gutters and the driveway again to keep on top of it. So yeah, full week of window cleaning this week. I should see you next Monday at 6 o'clock for the next video. But yeah, I hope you enjoyed this one. Don't know how it looks yet. I haven't really edited it, but I'll do that today. So I got here about 4 o'clock. It's now Monday the 16th of October at 5:45. So yeah, that's a wrap on this one. So yeah, I shall see you in the future. Make sure to like, subscribe. Cheers, guys.